Okay, before you fix the dragon's head together, okay, first of all, you'll need to cut round here and here are the dragon's eyes. Don't cut that bit because we want them to fold up like so. And the same with the nostrils before you glue it together. So you cut around there. So when you fold that front edge, those nostrils will stick up like so. What you need to do then is to place some double-sided tape here, 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 and here, and then score the edges which you're going to fold. With the front face, you can see that I've glued this piece, this tab to the side, and this tab to the side. Okay, and then this long piece here, I've glued these two parts together, and the same on the other side. With the teeth, I placed double-sided tape on the back of the gum all the way around, and then I fixed the gum then to the dragon from the sides, the front, and the side again. So you end up with something like that. So when you glue the hinge together, you need to make sure that there is an overhang of 5mm each side. You can see that the top of the dragon's head is slightly wider than the base. So you need to make sure that you have a 5mm that's sticking out either side of the hinge, as you can see. So I've glued the hinge together. So now I've got some sort of a hinge here. So when the syringe moves up, that will act as a hinge then to move the dragon's head open and closed. Now, to make the dragon move, we need 2 plastic syringes, which are 10ml in size. All right. Then I'm going to need some tubing. Now this tubing is around about 5mm tubing. I'm going to stick my syringe to my dragon using a double-sided pad, but you can use a glue gun or some sticky tape if you want. I do this just in case I need to reuse these syringes. So the first syringe I've stuck to the front of the dragon inside the box. Okay, and I've placed it in the down position. And there I've just fixed it with a double-sided sticky pad. Like I said, just in case I need to reuse this, but you can use a glue gun if you want to. I've got the tubing coming to the bottom now. And what I need to do now is to bring that tubing through this hole which we hole punched earlier. Bring the tubing through. And now what we need to do is fix this end of the tube to this syringe. So when you connect this part of the tube, okay, to this syringe. Make sure it's in the out position. So when we push this down then, we can see that the other syringe should move upwards. And that's what we want it to do. And then we'll pull the syringe back, and then it returns to its original position. So let's close the top of the dragon on top of the syringe and see if we can make our dragon move. And there you have it.
Well done, workshoppers. I hope you've enjoyed visiting the Windle workshop, and if you've enjoyed it so much, then click the like button or even subscribe. Come and join me again to make some more fantastic projects.